If you have both a brand name and a logo that you want to protect via a trademark, you do not have to apply for a trademark for both, at least not in the beginning. I'm Camelia, I'm a trademark attorney here at Imani Law, and what most people don't realize is that when you apply for a trademark application will ask if you are applying for a word mark, which is your brand name, or a design mark, which is something like a logo. So when you are going through the application process, you are filing 2 separate applications with 2 separate filing fees and 2 separate processes for each one. So you can always start with doing the first application for your brand name, and what that is doing is protecting just the wording. You can always change the font, the color, the style of your brand name, and it will always be protected because what you did was you protected the word mark. On the other hand, the application for the logo means that if you change the way the logo looks at all, then you will have to file a new application in the future. You're protecting the way the design looks. This is why working with a trademark attorney is so important, because when you work with us and we do that initial legal strategy call with you, we can go over whether it makes sense to first start with your brand name, makes sense to go forward with the logo. All of that legal analysis and strategy is what we do, it's what we're trained to do. And because anybody can just click the file button and file for a trademark, the difference is with us, we do actual legal strategy and legal analysis to make sure that your application has the best chance of actually passing through the registration process, which is what actually matters. So whether you have a brand name or a logo or both that you want to protect, you can work with our law office for us to take care of the entire process for you. You can click the link in our bio to get started. Before we do the filing process for you, you can, on that call, have a personalized legal strategy for your brand, and we can do a knockout search of your brand name to see what the realistic strength of it is before you invest all of this time and money. As always, I hope this was helpful.